Good morning. Well, China and the US reached that phase one trade deal at the weekend and will now move forward to quickly signing the deal as soon as possible. While over in the UK, the Prime Minister Boris Johnson's Conservative Party won the majority of seats in the general election, meaning he'll now drive the UK out of the European Union before the deadline, January 31. The result was also the party's biggest election win since 1987. Meantime, the Australian share market is set to rise 0.6% or 39 points at the open after the market, or we saw the ASX 200 gain about 0.5% on Friday, rising 31 points, with the broader All Ordinaries rising 0.5% as well. Financials largely led the charge on Friday, with stocks exposed to the UK seeing a fresh breath of air and rallying on the back of Bojo's win. We saw Link Administration rise 5%, Virgin Money rose about 8%, and Pendle also rose 8% as well. Overseas now, we saw Wall Street finish mostly flat, with the Dow and the S&P 500 largely unchanged, while the Nasdaq rose 0.2%, with gains being capped in the US as American sales rose less than expected, rising 0.2%, while the market was looking for a sales lift of 0.5%. Meantime, over in Europe, London's FTSE rose 1.1% on the back of the landslide win, while German's DAX rose 0.5%. The European Stock 600, which is the largest 600 stocks in Europe, rose 1.1%, with travel and leisure stocks doing exceptionally well. Over in Asia, stocks rallied on the back of the trade deal going through. Japan's Nikkei and Hong Kong's Hang Seng rising 2.6%. China's Shanghai Comp up 1.8%. And locally, what to watch today? Well, the mid-year economic and fiscal outlook is out, with the government set to pave the way for further fast-tracking of Commonwealth infrastructure spending. $4.2 billion in funding is likely to be brought forward for approval of projects over the next year, and already up to $3.8 billion was announced last month. The government is also expected to remain on track to deliver surplus budgets over the next 4 years. In early market news, we've seen restaurant brands, which owns KFC, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell in New Zealand. They reported an almost 6% rise in sales in the third quarter, while another story for Auckland Airport, AIA, they reported a 1.1% drop in passenger numbers in October. Meantime, over to commodities, the gold price has gained 0.5%. It's now $1,477 an ounce. The WTI price is at $60.07 a barrel for oil, while the iron ore price has gained. It's now 0.3% higher to $92.04. And lastly, the Australian dollar is buying 68.7 US cents. Have a great day. Happy trading.